Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off True Tone and what it is on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work pretty much the same. So to get to the True Tone settings, you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to display and brightness, and here below the brightness options you are going to find True Tone. And True Tone, as you can see now, I have this feature on. What it does is that iPhone measures, your ambient lighting, where you are. So if you're, lighting conditions, different lighting conditions, if you're inside the building with a light or without, or you're outside the building, it is dull or maybe it is sunny, this is going to, the iPhone is going to adjust your display colors to make you the best feeling of using the iPhone. So maybe you're going to see this right now. If I turn the True Tone off, that the display is going to get the more blue light out of it. So let's just click. As you can see now, the tones of the display are a little bit different right now. Maybe you're not going to be able to see this on the home screen, but here I think the camera catches it. So again, let's turn on the True Tone. And now, as you can see, the display is a little bit more yellow, and now it is a little bit more blue. I don't know if you can see it, see this, but I think that you kinda can. So yeah, this is how you can turn on or turn off the True Tone, and this is how it works. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!